All right. Lisa, I appreciate you jumping on here. Super excited to chat with you about your experience working with CHS Ecom. We'll run through a few questions about your experience here. So starting off, I'd love just a quick introduction into who you are, what True Beauty Lashes is, a little bit more about your brand, and what you're doing on a day-to-day basis.
Well, thank you for having me here. I'm so happy to talk glowing things about your company. We are a lashes business and we've been around for about 6 years. But in the past year, we've been working on a new beauty technology called Lash Lover. And that's really how I found you guys, is knowing that we were going to start driving traffic into this beauty technology. Wanted to make sure that our welcome flows, our post-purchase flows, ban and cart, all the basics were all really revamped and ready for the technology to launch. And so that's what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. And now it's launched.
Awesome. So let's talk about the before state. So before working with CHS, can you tell me a little bit more about what did email and SMS actually look like, and what were some of the challenges that you were facing?
I've been using Klaviyo since day one, and I had built out some of the really basic ones as a small business owner doing it myself. And then a couple of years ago, I had come across a similar type positioned agency as yours, but unfortunately, they were not nearly as good as yours, not nearly as talented, not nearly as kind, and definitely weren't on top of things. And so the quality of the work that I got out of working with them, I really wasn't happy with. But so I knew I needed to find another partner that I could count on that more than anything had a design eye, so that the things that we've invested a lot of time and effort into, like our branding and our brand identity, that you guys could pick up and make sure we're really continued through in our entire lifecycle marketing strategy.
Awesome. I remember we had a call, we were kind of going through some of the flows that were close, but there was just some little tweaks that sometimes difficult to describe. Kind of, we know it, you see it. Glad the team was able to execute on that, especially with those brand guidelines. I think it's also a partnership too. Like, you guys are able to give us great brand guidelines and feedback. I think it's definitely a two-way street. And so I think that made to a very successful partnership there. Now, talking a little bit more about the actual project, I'd love to hear a little bit more about what we actually built together. I know we did some various flows here and there, but could you kind of walk me through at least maybe some of the highlights about what we built together and some of the impact that that's had so far?
Yeah, well, I love them. They're beautiful. And honestly, they're truly what I would have envisioned as my ideal look and feel for like a true quality professional level flow of, like I said, our welcome flows and our post-purchase, our abandoned cart. And then the other more technical one that I was very impressed that your team was able to figure out how to do is the dynamic content in one of the emails that comes out of our new beauty tech. And so when somebody gets the results of their experience, it sends out an automated email that's from Klaviyo. And you guys were able to think through that and make sure that all the dynamic content was placed in the right ways and that it was connected correctly. I just really appreciate that you were willing and able to jump in there and figure that out with me. That type of a partnership I value very much, because I knew enough to be dangerous and what needed to go in there and kind of how it needed to work. But really, like the specifics of getting it set up and in there, I could lean on you guys to make sure it was set up correctly. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Those were kind of like all the things that we worked on. One of my other favorite things about working with you guys is just the willingness to be there with us as things were pivoting and changing, and understanding and knowing that we had to stop things and pause things because it was going to be too early to get certain designs out or to release certain emails, because we had plans in place when we first kind of planned them with you, but then we had to put things on hold because things changed in the business. And at no point did you guys make us feel like we weren't allowed to do that or like be nimble with us. And that those kinds of things are just invaluable. So thank you very much for doing that with us.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think the Lash Lover especially it's not one of our standard flows. It's very much a custom kind of quiz funnel. There's all these different dynamic sections, not your standard abandoned cart welcome sequence. It's always great to do those standard ones, but also was definitely a bit of a challenge for the team. I think we try to be as close to an in-house team as possible. We see it all the time. Clients, stuff comes up. Yeah, we had some issues here and there, just, neither of us can control. So we totally get it. We want to see everything under the sun. And we plan that into kind of rolling with the punches. As I tell my team, we gotta be a little bit nimble there. Second to last, I'd love to hear just maybe more about your experience kind of working with the team on the day-to-day. Like, how was the communication, the designs, overall process? What was that like working with us there?
Well, I think you said it well, that one of the biggest things that helped in making sure that we had designs that were right for our brand is that we do have a brand identity guide. So we were able to give you guys guidance that was beyond just, take a look at our website and model, the look and feel or our Instagram. But outside of that, you still needed to translate that into what it meant for it, not only an email that looked good, but an email that would convert, that had the right sections in it, that, was structured correctly. And I remember the very first draft coming in, and I was just so impressed. I was like, they nailed it. They got the brand, and no matter how many small tweaks that we made things throughout the way, I was never concerned at all that you guys didn't understand our branding or that there was some major problem in that. Like, it was beautiful work from day one, as well as the actual copywriting itself. We went back and forth on some things, but like in exactly the right kind of collaborative way, and not that I was overcorrecting something that should have been obvious and you guys weren't understanding something in some way. So all of that was very easy. I also really liked that you guys had patience with sometimes I would change my mind, so we would go and I'd give some direction or some feedback, and then you guys would go and actually make the change. And it didn't really look the way that I had thought that it would look with that change that we had asked about. And instead of just, nitpicking me back, and saying, you can't make the change anymore because you already asked for this, you guys were just willing to take the 3 seconds that it took to, redo that word to make sure that it turned out to be the thing that we needed. Not that I would ever tell any other brand that they should do 75 revisions on any one email to any agency, because that's just cruel. But just that patience, especially with the first projects that we're working on together as a partnership, that we're learning each other's style and we're learning how to communicate and how to say. Now I know that if I say this, they take it very literally. And so that's what'll come back out. So next time I should probably say it like, I'm not actually saying use the exact words. I'm just saying, can we do something like this? Because I'm hiring you because you're the creative team and you shouldn't actually listen to me directly. I'm way more logical and analytical than I am a creative. That's all the beauty of partnership and those things. So I'm looking forward to being able to have a brand new project with you guys in the future so that we can do it all over again.
Yeah, 100%. It's always, especially at the start, kind of learning each other's working styles. You onboard, it's super exciting. And then always at the start, there's a lot more back and forth. And then we get into a good pace. Absolutely. Awesome. Last but not least, I'd love to hear if someone was on the fence about working with CHS, what might you tell them?
Oh, I would tell them that don't hesitate at all. Like, to me, this is the epitome of, an agency partner that you can lean on, that can really understand the brief that you're writing and what you're trying to accomplish, and make sure that not only the output is high quality, not just thrown together, and is built off of all the best practices that you study, that it is very clear that you studied and that you've taught your team to do, and that, it really feels like subject matter expertise that's coming to the table. So, happy for any brand that wants a direct reference from me or ask me any other questions. They're happy to reach out, but definitely big supporter of you guys.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Lisa. It was a wonderful project. Love the brands. Absolutely looking forward to some potential future projects as we get these initial flows up and running, some more people through there. With that being said, I'd love to hear, last but not least, like, who would be a good fit for True Beauty and where would they best be able to find you and the brand?
Oh, sure. Well, our new technology is an experience that helps people that are trying to find the right lashes for their eye shape do it pretty seamlessly. It uses computer vision to give you an eye shape profile and then tells you what lashes are right for your eyes. And we're the first lash brand to do this. Very excited to say that. You can find us at truebeautylashes.com. And Lash Lover is the name of our tech. So go try it. Go have fun. Feel free to give me any feedback too if you have any constructive criticism comments. But we hope more than anything that it's very useful and that you have fun doing it.
Absolutely. Awesome, Lisa. Well, as always, great to chat and appreciate you walking through everything about the experience of working with us.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Zach.
Absolutely. Thanks, Lisa.